Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by enabling the recorder so it's available when you need it. Open Settings, go to Convenience Tools, then Screen Recording. Grant microphone and storage permissions, and allow display capture so audio and video are recorded. Once done, add the screen recording tile to your control center or quick settings so you can start without digging through menus. This upfront step prevents permission prompts mid-recording and makes the process fast. You'll save time and avoid interrupted captures. Now configure how you record. Open the screen recording settings and pick resolution and frame rate. Higher values look better but take more space, so balance quality versus storage. Make sure to toggle the microphone if you want narration and pick internal audio when capturing app sounds. Also set a short countdown to prepare, enable show touches for tutorials, and turn on Facecam if you want a presenter overlay. These choices control clarity and context, so make them before you tap record. To record, swipe down and tap the screen recording tile. You'll see a countdown and then recording begins. Narrate or perform actions, and when finished, stop recording from the notification shade or control center. Your video saves automatically to gallery under recordings. If recording fails, first reboot the phone, then recheck permissions for microphone and storage, and clear the recorder app cache. These quick fixes resolve most problems. Finally, review the file to ensure audio and video synced as expected.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.